think we're in the clear.
Hey baby girl, roll down your window. I love to see your hair flow when the wind blows. Even if the money been slow. Hey, to you it don't matter, cause you still gon' ride with me. You still gon' ride with me. I say you still gon' ride with me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lamasbella, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you my 2018 Halloween makeup look and how you can achieve just this. Now, this is such an easy look. Like, honestly, I don't even know if it looks like so intricate and detailed, but if it does, it's really not. I really want you guys to have some confidence and really try to pull this look off. I think it's great. I absolutely love it. I was inspired by this photo I found on Pinterest. I'll put it in the description, but it's literally like, it shames what I did because it's still probably more gorgeous than what I did here. But this is actually like a really simple look, so if you're on the run, if you haven't found anything and you like this look, then keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna start off with a clean face. I have nothing on. I do have some leftover lash glue from a video that I just filmed, but it shouldn't like really affect anything, obviously. So we're just gonna get started. I'm gonna start off by outlining the mask and the design on my face, and I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible white eyeliner. Okay, so after I finish outlining my mask and putting it where I want it on my face, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Medium Contour Cream Kit, and I'm going to use the shade Banana to fill in this mask. I thought it just looked better on my skin, so if you want, you can make it white. I think it'll look really nice either way, but this is just my preference. You can choose your mask to be whatever color you want. So I'm just going to put this all over my face. And this is where the thick white base comes in handy, because you don't have to go too much around the edges. Okay, so when I'm done covering the whole face with that, I'm going to go in with my Beauty Blender, and I'm just going to spread it so it hits the eye area. And the reason why I do this is that I don't want a huge thick layer on my eyelids. I just wanted something that could be like blended in through there. And this is perfect, so it just covers it up like. Okay, so now that I'm finished with that, I'm going to go ahead and start my eye makeup, and I'm going to go for like a little, like a red tone kind of eye. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. I absolutely love this palette. I love all their palettes, but I'm just going to start building the eye now. So I'm going to go in with He Devil. And I'm just going to start putting that all over the eye. Okay, so now I'm going to be going in with Fuego and Ashes from that palette. Just darken up my corner here. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some glitter to my lid. So I'm gonna start by putting the glue. Sorry you guys, I didn't show you, but I'm using for glitter the NYX Glitter Brilliants. And this is in the color, let me see, Copper. Okay, so now I'm just going to do a quick wing liner and then we can start stenciling the mask. Okay, now that I have my wing liner done, I'm going to go ahead and start stenciling the lace on the mask. And this is how I'm going to do it. So I got this lace from Joann's. I think it was like $10. I don't really remember. But anyway, I'm just going to cut a piece like this. And I'm basically just going to start stenciling. So what I'm going to need is a brush. And I've been playing with this one here. That's why it's got like the black on it. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one as my stencil. As my brush to do the stencil, and then I'm going to go in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm using the shade Temptress, which is just the black. So it's this one right here. I've been playing with it a little bit, that's why it's kind of messy. But yeah, so let's get started. Okay, I'm going to be completely honest. This is probably the hardest part of the tutorial, only because you have to be really, really patient about it. Trust me, it will come out nice. But you have to be a little patient. So just take your time, take it easy, don't worry about it. And if you mess up, it's totally fine. It's just Halloween makeup. This isn't like a pageant or anything. Like, you want to have fun with it, you know what I mean? So I'm going to line it up to the edge right here and then kind of remember where my nose is, and then I'm just going to cut it from there. And I'm going to start on the edge right here, and I'm just going to left to do is the bridge of my nose, and the last time I tried doing it, kind of messed it up. So I learned that the best way to do it is just kind of cut it to just about the width of your mask. You just want to stencil like that part, you know? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try to line it up evenly with a stencil that I've already done, and then just so after I finish that, I'm going to go back in with the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, and I'm just going to go around the mask on my face. And I'm going to be using He Devil, and I'm just going to go over it like this. So I had like filmed this before, but I was a little pressed for time because my battery was dying, and also like my dog needed to go out and he hadn't gone out in a while, and I was just like pressed for time at the moment, and I was just like trying to get it done as fast as I could. So I just like kind of just rushed the ending, and I regret doing that because it did not come out the way that I wanted it to. So I was just like, no, I have to do it again. And I was contemplating I was like, am I really gonna film this whole thing like over again? Like, it's not like it took that much time, because it's honestly not taking that long, but it's like, am I really gonna sit here and do this again? Like, just takes time from like me editing it. But I was like, no, you know what, I am, because I don't really like it, and I'm just gonna do it again. If I did it once, I can do it again. Sucks that I can't edit, but it's fine. So this is my second time doing this, you guys. Okay, so after I'm done with the red, I'm gonna go ahead and edge it out again, because I want it to be really precise, like where it starts, where it finishes. So I'm just gonna go along the line, right? I mean along the edge, sorry, I don't want to talk. I'm gonna go along the edge. And you know what, guys, it's okay if it's not perfect, but you have to remember to be confident about it, because there's so many times where I've messed up because I'm scared of the brush. Like, don't be afraid of the brush. It's okay if it's like not perfect, because we're gonna blend this down anyway. My only recommendation is, if you're working with the e.l.f. gel liner, work fast, because you don't want this, like, you want to be able to blend this out. You don't want it to like stick, you know what I mean? Like, you want to be able to blend this out. So now that I'm done outlining the mask, I'm going to go ahead and finish my eye look. I'm going to add some false lashes as well as some mascara at the bottom, just to kind of like enhance the eyes a little bit. I'm going to be using the House of Wings Desi lashes. I really love these. They're so cute, and they're so comfortable on my lash line. I love them. So there we are. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my ombre lip. I'm going to be using the Kat Von D, I don't know if I'm saying it right, but I'm using the Kat Von D one of these shades, Nosferatu. I know it's like a villain, but I don't know what villain it is. Sorry guys, don't hate me. But anyways, yes, I'm using that, and then I'm going to use the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick. So this is it. This is my finished Halloween look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this just as much as I enjoyed filming this for you all. Now, if you have any questions regarding any products that I used, feel free to put in the comment section below. I hope everyone has a great Halloween. I want to see all your costumes, all your looks, everything. Again, I had so much fun filming this for you guys. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Lamasbella, and I'm so thankful you came across my channel. I really hope you'll stick around and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and again, thank you so much for watching. Until next time.